Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Gamera and Shin Godzilla as one character. It's going to be really simple and easy, and I want you to follow along with me. The other thing is, don't forget to check out the new YouTube channel. We have a new YouTube channel called Quick Pictures to Draw. It is exactly like this channel. The only difference is I'm not narrating anything on that channel, but it's almost the exact same thing, but there are different lessons there. So go check that out, go subscribe to that. I'm gonna put the link in the description of that. Let's get started. Okay, let's go over how to draw a combination of Shin Godzilla and Gamera, alright? Let's kind of walk through it, alright? So it's going to be more like upper body-ish. So we're going to go to the head over here. So Gamera has a few different things, but I was going to say we want to give it the kind of texture of Shin Godzilla's head. So we're going to draw this bubbliness that Shin Godzilla's head has. You know, I'm talking about like bubbliness. He's got this like hamburger-like texture that always seems to be kind of going on with, not always seems to be going on, but that Shin Godzilla has. Okay, let me open up. I need another marker here real quick. 1 second, because that other marker is pretty dry in my opinion. So let's see. All right, we got this marker here. There's a new one. Gonna go over here. We're gonna curve this way as well. Just kind of bubble it in here. Curve in. Curve over here. Alright, it's gonna go open. Curve over here. Alright, we're gonna keep bubbling it down right here. Kind of looks like he's made of fried chicken a little bit. Down. Over here for the eye. He's got a pretty big brow, I noticed. Circle. And dot in the center. That's something that Shin has, this kind of like wild look. Like, oh my gosh, like what's going on? Curve underneath. Let's draw some teeth right here. His long, gangly, well, not super long, but maybe long for his type right here. That tusk is obviously a very big Gamera thing. And I pull down right here. Curve. And down here. Curve, curve, curve. And let's draw a little more, like I said, bumpiness over here. We're going to add more. Stay right here. But let's go on to some of the rest of his body. Line over here. He's got these kind of like open areas. I'm going to open up 3 of them and draw some lines across like so. Curve down for that turtle shell. That's very good. That's like a Gamera, you know, thing. I'm gonna go over here, draw a couple of lines right there. Let's draw kind of the front of the body right here. Line over here. Line over here for the front. Maybe some texture on the turtle shell, just kind of like maybe some little like octagons, something like that. Out over here. And his hands get bigger as they go down, so that's why I made them larger as they go downward. So let's kind of go now into the texture, which I think is something with Shin, right? We really want to go into the texture and the gnarliness of it, and the hamburger style kind of the hamburger style, how do you say, look that the Shin has. So we're gonna pull like some spikes over here, maybe some more small spikes along the top back right there. Make them thin. It's a very thin, long thing right here. Curve around the back over here, and now let's throw in maybe some dark around the neck, just to kind of create a little bit more texture, which kind of is closer and relates to like more of the Shin Godzilla stuff. Line over here, line over here. Line over here. Right there, we're manipulating this shape right here so that it looks a little bit more like, you know, more textured, and it kind of gives it that look. Throw some lines over here, and we're pretty much done. This is a good little mixture. You can kind of keep throwing these little dots right here, these texture points, and it will help kind of with the overall shape. But I would say keep one thing in mind when you're doing this: make it darker at the bottom right here, more together, and then like it kind of what's it called? It kind of dissipates as it goes upward around him. But thank you for watching. Hopefully this was like a fun little, you know, combo, and I want you to stay around, and we're gonna draw some more right now. Let's do it, okay? We're gonna stick around. We're gonna draw some more. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.